There has been a lot of speculation around Phantom Wallet and whether they will be doing an airdrop for their community. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about what a token would actually mean for a decentralized wallet and also give a confirmed answer to whether Phantom will be doing an airdrop. Before we get into the main part of the video, I do just quickly have two things to say. Number one is thank you for 10k subscribers. I didn't quite reach the goal in 2024, but it wasn't far after, and I do really appreciate your support. Secondly, I am now sharing daily content on TikTok. So if you are active over there, do drop me a follow, link will be down below. Firstly, let's think about this logically. What would the utility be of a token for a decentralized wallet? Well, we already have a case study here because Trust Wallet, a decentralized wallet owned by Binance, already have their own token. And the token is pretty well established. It was created in May of 2020, so almost 5 years ago, and it currently has a market cap of around $500 million with an FDV of 1.2 billion. So why would we actually decide to hold this wallet token? What does it actually do? And we can see here that Trust Wallet token is a utility token within the Trust Wallet ecosystem. Users can earn, spend and stake TWT tokens within the Trust Wallet app. It also offers various benefits such as transaction fee discounts, access to exclusive features, and the ability to participate in Trust Wallet governance. I personally don't find this very appealing because when it comes to earning, staking and spending, I would expect this across pretty much any token, not just wallet tokens. Then when it comes to the discounted fees, fees are already so cheap on the chains like Solana and Binance anyway, so is it really that much of a benefit? When it comes to the governance tokens and the voting, this makes sense if you are a die-hard community member. I completely appreciate that. But then when it comes to the exclusive features, this sounds a little bit like a gimmick, right? You may get early access, but how many features do you really need in a wallet? Now we move on to the big one, which is Metamask, and there has been a lot of speculation around an airdrop since 2021 really. And of course, it never came. People may be wondering, well, why not? But I think a better question here is, why bother? When a project or wallet is so well established, do they really need the extra stress and responsibility of having a token? Metamask are already doing around $1 million per week in fees, and they have generated $313 million in cumulative revenue so far. And besides from that, the parent company of Metamask actually raised around $7 billion in 2022 in a Series D round. So this says to me that they are quite focused on sticking to the traditional fundraising route and avoiding a token. So will Phantom follow Trust Wallet and launch their own token? Or are they going to follow Metamask and go down the equity road? Like I said, we have seen a lot of speculation recently that Phantom will be not just launching a token, but will also be doing an airdrop for their community. A lot of this speculation came to light during meme coin mania in November, when we seen Phantom actually generate over $6 million in revenue in a week, and since then of course it has slowed down, but it is still at a healthy $2 to $4 million per week. But unfortunately, the bad news here is that Phantom have confirmed themselves that they have no plans to launch a token, and the recent features around usernames and following other users is all part of a social experiment to make Phantom a more social place and has no correlation to an airdrop. My best guess here is that Phantom feel like they are in a very similar position to Metamask. They're already such a big name, they are the #1 wallet on Solana, generating so much money in revenue through fees, and they probably feel like they are a little bit too big to fail at this point and just don't need, again, the stress or responsibility of a token. If Phantom did decide to launch a token in the future, there is no doubt that it would be huge, and of course with that the airdrop would be huge as well. But very similar to Metamask, they also completed a fundraising round back in 2022, this time for around $109 million at a $1.2 billion valuation. So that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. Please do drop a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And also apologies if you felt it was a little long-winded, if you just wanted a simple yes or no answer to a Phantom airdrop. But I just wanted to add some context to the video, as we've seen wallets in the past which are, you know, far older than Phantom make different decisions, and I personally find it quite interesting. So with that said, please do trade safe, invest safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.